Hi everyone. So in previous session we discussed how pivot tables are much easier compared to using formulas. So we discussed like for quick answers and analysis of complex questions, pivot tables are helpful and where formulas fail to help you. Also for some open-ended questions and when you are doing exploratory where you actually do not have any question to answer but just want to look at the data to and come up with key insights, then also pivot table is very helpful. So it allows you to easily organize, filter, summarize and analyze raw data. And the key benefits of pivot tables are is it is powerful, it can uncover insights and answer key questions about your data. It's beautiful because you can apply custom styles and conditional formatting. It's very fast. You can create custom views, you can create filters and calculate fields on the fly. It's accurate because all the calculation is done by Excel, so you minimize human error. And last but not the least is flexible, so you can manipulate table layouts, you can create dynamic views in seconds. So in this session, we'll discuss about importance of tables. And tables and pivot tables are two different things. And here what we have is we have this table. Well, it looks like table, but it is not recognized as table by Excel. To us, it looks like table, and I have this product and A, B, C, D, E, F, G. These are different products. And I have this January sales and February sales and total sales here. Total January sales is here, which is just the sum function, as you can see. And let's say I add one new product, that is product H, and whose January sales is 20. And let's see what happens to this number. So it remains the same, it doesn't change. And what we have to do in order to include this new product is that we have to manually track this. I have taken it till D13. So what we have to do is we have to manually drag it till D20, presenter, and then you get 200. But that's a manual process. It means that every time we have a new product and every time the new product being added, we have to do this. We have to drag our formula to include that new cell. What we can do is if we use create it as a table, and then what will happen is we need to do this manually every time, and it gets dynamic, as in it gets updated whenever any addition or deletion of data happens. So how to do that, how to create it into table? Either you go to insert and then go to table, but the easier one is, you can see here Ctrl plus T is a shortcut just to be inside the data, as in, click on any cell which is in this data set, okay, and then press Ctrl T. And when you do that, you get this dialog box saying that where is the data for your table. So this is the data. If you want to increase or decrease any cell or any column, you can manually actually do this and get this data. Otherwise, you can also use the navigation shortcuts, and the navigation shortcut is Control Shift. You scroll right and then you scroll down, and that's how you select the data. And now you can see that the formatting has changed. Basically now it is recognized as table. Then formatting, other way to see whether you have converted into a table or not is see this table design tab which gets created here. So if you move to other cell, it's gone. But when you again move to this cell, this table design again confirms that you have converted the raw data into table. So what are the benefits of creating this table? So if you add any data here or here, so it will become part of the table. So it will become the part of the calculation that you want to do on this table. Let's check this by one example. So I'm taking total January sales and I'm saying is equals to the sum of this. And here I'm not referring to, but I'm not giving any cell reference as D7 to D13, but I have given this column, this table. So whatever will come under this column, Jan's sales, it will take that amount. So this is the sum, that is 180. So if I put a product, say H, and hit enter, it automatically expands, say from here to here. So I'll put one more product, say I, and I'm putting the Jan value, sales values for H is 20, and for I product also 20, and see how the sales changed. So the table is referred to as by columns, and so if our data changes, if it increases, so that the table will expand or decrease. For example, if I select this and delete, say, this and this, delete entire row, so the data automatically changes here. This is the first importance of table, that you don't have to change references when your data changes. Second benefit of using table is that whenever you apply any formula or any cell, say to the right, so I'm adding Jan and Feb sales, and Jan and Feb sales, so January sales plus February sales, and as I hit enter, gets updated in each and every cell.